Yo, what's up guys and welcome back to the channel. It's me, just Jarek, and this is my second video. The first video was about the 5 things that I love about my Mini John Cooper Works R56 from 2012. This one is about the 5 things that I hate about my Mini. Let's get in the car and talk about those points. Dude, why are you here? Well, like I said, this video is about the 5 things that I hate about my car. Which point number 1, practicality, is I think proven. Let's get out of the car, let's show the people what's not practical. Dude, are you okay? Okay, let's go into my side and I'll show you what's not practical at all, because this car is so small you can barely fit children in the back seat. So let's pop the front seat. And this is normally my position that I drive in. I'm 185 and I don't know how much inch or whatever it is or feet, but I'm 185 in centimeters, and yeah, this is my seating position. I'm gonna jump in the back. This is getting in is still going pretty fine, but as soon as you have to pop your both feet under the seat, they're stuck. They're really literally stuck under the seat, and then have to pop it back. I can only I can only sit with my knees on both sides of the seat, and like I said, my feet are literally stuck underneath the seat. So, and if you have to then fit with 2 adults in the back seat, it's practically, yeah, it's almost not, you can't do it, let's put it that way. It's not, you can't just do it at all. The seats are actually pretty fine, but the room that you have in front of you is just is not okay. Let's go forward to number 2, which is maintenance cost. Wow. Number 1, practicality. Let's move on to number 2, which is maintenance cost. By the way, if the sound is not good, it's getting pretty windy out here, so just to bear with us, that is not the best circumstances. Number 2, maintenance cost. About 2 or 3 months ago, I had a very big maintenance service to the car, and it was around 1,400 euros, excluding tax. What they did was the full service to the car itself, and they wanted to change my brake discs and pads all around. So it was a pretty big sum that I just had to pay, like in cash. Well, not really in cash, by bank transfer, but still. The costs are not ideal for the car, and it's also something that I want to go to the next point with, which is point number 3, is the oil cost. The car really likes some oil. It's absolutely amazing, I would almost say, but in a negative way. Last week I had to drive to Belgium for work. It was like 1,000 kilometers in total, and I checked the oil, how much was still in there, and it was yeah, not so good. So I had to fill it up again, and that's what I did for the last couple of months. Just buy a liter once in the couple of weeks and fill it up again. So yeah, oil consumption for the Mini John Cooper Works, not very good. Let's move on to point number 4. Wow, you're fast, man. Well, point number 4 is the extra storage compartment that we have in the mid console. It's the armrest. It's like I said, a very small storage compartment. I have like a Shell Club card, an Air Miles card in it, and it's handy, but at the same time, the quality, if you haven't closed it properly, so you have to shove it very to the front, then it's closed. But sometimes you think you closed it, and the next time when you jump into the car, like I did, you go sit in and you lean a little bit on the rest, it pops to the back, and this is still okay. But I had it a couple of times that the rest itself actually came off, didn't break off. I could put it back together, but it was very loose. So yeah, armrest, point number 4. So, point number 5, the last one in the list of things that I hate about my car. It's visibility. The visibility in this car is not good at all. We have a small shovel. Here, record that one. Wait, over here. So, okay, let's continue. It's number 5. The visibility, the line, the end of the windshield is actually over here. So when you're driving the car, and you stop in front of a light, then you really have to sit like this, or you have to move over like this, or sometimes you can look through the roof, to the panoramic roof. Then it's okay, but it's not ideal at all. So 0.5 for me would be the windshield, which is the angle is too strong, it's too steep, and yeah, it's in fact a little bit too small. So windshield number 5. So this is the end of the video, guys. The 5 things that I hate about the Mini John Cooper Works. I hope you liked it. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, because this seating position is actually very unpractical as well. See you next time. Cheers.